Once upon a time, in a town filled with curious minds, there lived a teacher named Mr. Wise. He had two students, Tim and Lily, who loved to explore and learn new things. Mr. Wise noticed that Tim and Lily were eager to know about money. He began their adventure by telling them about two dads, Poor Dad and Rich Dad. Poor Dad believed in working hard at a regular job, while Rich Dad believed in using money to make more money. One day, Mr. Wise invited Tim and Lily to his cozy classroom. He drew two pictures on the board, a little house and a game console. He explained that things like the house take money out of your pocket, while things like the game console put money in your pocket. Tim and Lily understood the difference between assets and liabilities. Rich Dad told Tim and Lily that business was like a magical adventure. He showed them how to buy candies and sell them to make a little profit. Tim and Lily realized that by being creative, they could make their money grow. Poor Dad thought school was the most important. He said good grades would lead to good jobs, but Rich Dad thought differently. He believed in learning about money outside of school. Tim and Lily saw that both dads had their own ideas. One day, Rich Dad gave Tim and Lily some money to buy parts of a lemonade stand. They learned that when the stand did well, they got more money back. Tim and Lily were excited to know that money could grow by investing. Rich Dad taught Tim and Lily that they could choose how to use their money. They could work for money or let money work for them. Tim and Lily decided they wanted to be like Rich Dad and make smart choices. As Tim and Lily grew up, they remembered all the lessons from Mr. Wise and Rich Dad. They learned to save, invest, and think creatively. They became successful adults, making money work for them just like Rich Dad taught them. Tim and Lily shared their knowledge with others, helping them understand the secrets of money. They showed everyone that learning about money was like going on a fun adventure. And just like that, the town became a place where everyone knew how to make their money grow. And so the story of Tim and Lily became a tale of wisdom, creativity, and the magical power of learning about money.